Managing risks associated with digital transformation. Understanding digital transformation. As the modern digital world makes such an impact on our day to day lives, every business has now begun to seek to take full advantage of the digital world. Digital transformation now stands as a key factor for determining organizational growth, sustainability, and competitiveness. Digital transformation is the process of creating a new operational framework or updating the current one for business processes with the goal of efficiently fitting evolving consumer demands or market trends. For organizations to provide value to customers, this process is achieved with a variety of digital technologies that change how businesses run. With immense benefits, it comes with an equal share of risks in digital transformation. This leaves a strong need for effective risk management to guarantee that these initiatives for digital transformation lead to a successful outcome for the business rather than resulting in setbacks and risks. With all such risks, should we even consider digitally transforming the business objectives and processes? Understanding key risks in digital transformation. As discussed, digital transformation results in changes in how a business operates and delivers value to its customers and clients. The demand for digital transformation rises with fast innovations and technological advancements, elevated market competition, and changing customer expectations. And to talk about the benefits, there are plenty, like enhanced operational efficiency, room for innovation, top notch client and customer experiences, and more. But it is more important to know the risks associated with.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.
With it for addressing the risks in digital transformation. Key risks in digital transformation. Cybersecurity threats. As obvious as it is, cybersecurity takes first place in the kind of risks faced with digital transformation. With the rise in ease of global reach, it also results in potential possibilities for more ease in breaching and unauthorized access to critical and sensitive data. To mitigate this vulnerability, a sophisticated data handling framework must be implemented. Data privacy issues. On a similar scale, we have data privacy, since online data can be redeemed or retrieved once a breach occurs. And with the increase in the collection of data, compliance with data protection becomes more important to help avoid legal penalties, maintain customer trust, and guarantee a reliable environment. Operational disruptions. As we focus more on transforming business operations to make them more accessible and available by implementing new technologies, we might deviate from the disruptions it can cause to existing operations. Though temporary, businesses and clients must be prepared for the possible downtime and its impact on productivity and scalability. Cultural change and employee resistance. Since not every individual on the team is ready for the sudden change in the process of operations, adapting to such a mindset or use case can be challenging. Employee skill gaps in any fields related to the transformation must be addressed through comprehensive training to effectively manage and adapt to changes with change management strategies. Financial risks. With the numerous amounts of advantages it offers, it obviously does not come for free. Digital transformation projects often demand unplanned investments and funding. Organizations face finance-related risks like fund overruns and uncertain expectations in achieving the expected return on investment (ROI). Strategies for managing risks in digital transformation. Just as there are so many alternatives to performing a breach, there are also a number of solutions to manage these risks. Finding a solution to any failure is the key to success. Hence, here are a few strategies that work well in managing risks in digital transformation. Thorough risk assessments. Developing a risk management plan. Building a risk-aware culture. Leveraging technology and tools. Role of ISO standards in managing risks in digital transformation. ISO IEC 3000. This is an international standard that provides a systematic framework for effectively managing information security. This standard helps organizations securely protect their sensitive data with regulatory requirements in the Information Security Management System. Enhancing risk management practices. Implementing or adapting to this ISO standard can simply enhance overall risk management in the organization's operations. This practice provides structured guidelines and best practices for smartly and securely managing digital transformation risks.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.